Hi, my name is Brent Bradshaw, and today I'm going to talk about big data. Today, businesses capture an unbelievable amount of information about their customers, their suppliers, their operations, their competition, and their industry. Businesses are literally drowning in this information, and the leadership teams really have no idea how to access this asset. So what exactly is big data? The definition that Gartner Research provides is big data are high volume, high velocity, and or high variety information assets that require new forms of processing to enable enhanced decision making, insight discovery, and process optimization. In other words, big data refers to data sets whose size is beyond the ability of typical database software tools that are currently used to capture, store, manage, and analyze data. Facebook is a great example of a big data user that combines a large number of data points from users and their friends, now over 1 billion, into highly personalized user experience and really formed a new kind of business. What is the value of big data? Huge value for a company can be created by simply making big data more accessible to relevant users. It allows companies to collect more accurate and detailed performance data in real time, which allows for strategic adjustments to be made. It allows companies to segment specific customer groups, thereby allowing for more tailored products and services to be delivered. It allows for sophisticated analytics to take place, resulting in valuable insights being made and minimizing the risk of wrong decisions. And finally, it allows companies to create new products and services, improve existing ones, and create entirely new ones. What are the challenges associated with big data? As data continues to grow and be shared with a wide base of users, there's going to be increasing challenges with respect to data privacy. For example, personal data, data security, how to prevent data breaches, intellectual property rights, who owns the data, and liability. What if the data is wrong and decisions were made from it? Companies will need to adopt and implement new technologies and processes. Legacy systems will need to be addressed, and ongoing innovation will need to take place. A significant shortage in talent pool has been forecasted for people with the skill sets required to analyze big data, as well as the people required to manage the process. Big data requires access to information. Many companies will have a difficult time integrating data from the multiple areas that it's currently stored, different departments, different companies, third parties, etc. And finally, competition will drive the adoption rates for big data. Sectors with less competitions, i.e. the government, will be slow to realize the benefits of big data. Today, the use of big data is becoming a key way that forward-thinking companies can differentiate and outperform their rivals. We're going to now look at an example of how big data will positively impact the manufacturing sector, specifically looking at the components of a typical product value chain. Research and development. The use of big data offers opportunities to accelerate product development and promote design and innovation. Manufacturing companies have collected significant data on their product life cycles. However, this data tends to be confined to specific departments or functions as opposed to being shared with the entire organization. Big data would allow for this information to be shared, eliminate bottlenecks, and allow for efficient and effective collaboration between the functions and departments, ultimately leading to lower production costs and quicker product development. In turn, manufacturers are also starting to mine social media sites to gain valuable product feedback from the customers, and this feedback is being incorporated into product improvements and changes. Supply chain. Forward-thinking companies in the area of big data will not only improve their own data and gain associated leverage from it, but they will also be able to unlock data from other parties in the value chain, suppliers as an example, to allow for better cash flow management and to deliver a higher level of customer service. Production. Big data can drive productivity gains through improved process efficiencies within the manufacturing value chain. Companies will be able to obtain very specific real-time production data, allowing for accurate and timely production decisions. Companies will also be able to reduce costs associated with the manufacturing process by eliminating constraint points, maximizing product throughput, reducing assembly hours, and minimizing waste, all of which will ultimately lead to a better product control. Marketing. Manufacturing companies can use big data to determine customer likes and dislikes through their interactions with the company to actually create tailored marketing initiatives that address what the customers are telling them. By tailoring marketing initiatives, companies should ultimately achieve higher sales penetration rates. So what's the future of big data? The benefits and possibilities associated with big data are evolving rapidly, driven by innovation platforms for handling data, as well as the evolution of users. As the power of big data becomes better understood, it will become more widespread, ultimately resulting in businesses becoming absolutely dependent upon it. In other words, it will become an essential tool to these businesses, without which these businesses will not be able to compete and/or remain going concerns. People are really excited about the power of big data, an emerging technology that is only going to get bigger. Thank you.